Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GDPR anonymization in AWS using Macie, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify GDPR anonymization in AWS using Macie, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Macie service. If you haven't enabled Macie yet, click on Get Started. Select the region you want to work in. Once Macie is enabled, locate the S3 buckets you want to analyze. Click on Buckets in the left-hand menu. Select the specific S3 bucket that contains your data. Click on the Analyze button. Choose the type of analysis you want to perform, such as sensitive data discovery. Configure your analysis settings, specifying the depth of the scan. Set up a schedule for regular analyses if desired. Now, review the policies that Macie provides to help identify sensitive data. Once the initial analysis is complete, check the findings dashboard. Look for any flagged data elements that might not be properly anonymized. Examine the detailed reports generated by Macie for specific data findings. Take note of any personal data that may require additional anonymization efforts. If necessary, implement additional data masking or encryption techniques. To verify, rerun the analysis on the same S3 bucket. Check the updated findings to ensure all sensitive data has been addressed. Review the compliance reports generated by Macie to confirm GDPR adherence. Finally, make adjustments as needed based on the findings. Regularly monitor your data using Macie to ensure ongoing compliance with GDPR. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.